time passes, and many men begin to notice that the firmness and appearance of their penis are no longer the same, that veiny look, the rigidity and the endurance seem to be a thing of the past. This doesn't happen by chance. The body suffers from a lack of efficient circulation, a decline in hormone production, and the impact of habits that sabotage performance. But there is a natural and effective way to reverse this situation and regain stronger and longer-lasting erections. Certain foods contain compounds that can increase blood flow, dilate blood vessels, and stimulate the body to produce more energy and vitality. Some popular beverages on YouTube combine the best ingredients to enhance these effects. And today, I will show you which ones truly work. Simple recipes with easy-to-find ingredients that improve vascularization and prepare the body to respond with more intensity at the right moment. If you want more power and firmness, pay attention to the combinations that make all the difference before continuing. Check if you are already subscribed to the channel to stay updated on more content about health and sexual education. If you find this video useful, like it so that this information reaches more people. I want to hear your opinion in the comments. Type 1 if you approve of the topic, or 0 if you have suggestions to improve the content. Your participation makes all the difference. The right combination of nutrients plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood circulation and ensuring a firm and resilient erection among the main allies. In this process are gelatinized MKA and beetroot powder, two ingredients that complement each other and work together to enhance male performance. Beetroot powder is a true fuel for blood vessels, rich in nitrates. It helps the body produce nitric oxide, a natural vasodilator that relaxes the arteries and allows for more intense blood flow. When blood circulates freely, erections become harder and more voluminous. That's why athletes use beetroot to improve physical performance, and its effects go beyond workouts. Gelatinized maca, on the other hand, has been known for centuries for its aphrodisiac and invigorating properties. Native to the Andes, this root boosts energy, desire and endurance. Besides balancing hormones, it fights physical and mental fatigue, helping to prevent that feeling of exhaustion that can hinder performance. The synergy between these two ingredients allows one to enhance the effect of the other, while beetroot improves circulation and ensures more blood reaches the penis. Maca works on vitality and libido. However, to maximize these effects, it's necessary to include other nutrients that complement this formula. Zinc, vitamin D, magnesium, and some natural antioxidants help keep blood vessels healthy and testosterone levels high. Mixing these ingredients in the right way makes the process even more effective. There are practical and tasty ways to consume this combination, and every detail in the preparation makes a difference in the final effect. Do you want to strengthen your S3 sex life and enhance connection in your relationship in my digital book? Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy S3 After 60, you'll find practical guidance to rekindle desire, overcome physical and emotional challenges, and enjoy more fulfilling moments. Click the link in the first pinned comment to discover how to transform your love life and to further boost your performance. Here are 5 natural drinks that help maintain firmer erections. Drink number 1 is a powerful combination that activates circulation and ensures more energy throughout the day by combining gelatinized MKA beetroot powder, plant-based milk, and cocoa. This mixture helps the body function at peak performance without the need for artificial stimulants. Gelatinized MKA is a natural booster for vitality and stamina. Its effects are progressive, helping to prevent the fatigue that builds up during the day and can negatively affect performance at the crucial moment. Meanwhile, beetroot powder enhances blood flow, ensuring that blood vessels remain well dilated to transport a greater volume of blood. Pure cocoa plays an essential role in this formula. Rich in flavonoids, It boosts circulation and contributes to blood vessel relaxation, facilitating beetroot's work. Additionally, cocoa improves mood-reducing stress that can affect libido and performance to prepare this drink. Simply mix 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder, 1 teaspoon of gelatinized maca, 1 tablespoon of pure cocoa, and 200 milliliters of plant-based milk sweetened with honey or dates. If necessary, the best time to consume it is in the morning or before physical activity, ensuring energy and natural support for circulation throughout the day. Drink number 2 is a powerful juice that strengthens circulation and naturally improves erection firmness. The combination of beetroot powder, watermelon juice, and ginger enhances blood vessel dilation, ensuring a more intense and constant blood flow. Watermelon is one of the best natural sources of citrine and amino acid that the body converts into arginine-stimulating nitric oxide production. This compound relaxes the arteries, facilitating blood flow and increasing pressure in the penile cavernous bodies. The result is a more complete filling of the tissues and a firmer erection. Ginger complements watermelon's action by improving circulation and reducing inflammation, which can affect blood vessel elasticity. Additionally, it acts as a natural stimulant, increasing sensitivity and the body's response to stimuli. To prepare this drink, simply blend 200 milliliters of fresh watermelon juice, 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder, and a small piece of fresh ginger strain if desired, and drink preferably in the morning or a few hours before intimacy. This refreshing and functional juice progressively activates the cardiovascular system, ensuring lasting effects for those seeking more vigor and endurance. Drink number 3 is a protein shake designed to boost testosterone levels and improve blood circulation. The combination of gelatinized maca, almond milk, banana, and peanuts provides a balanced dose of nutrients that enhance physical and sexual performance. Banana is an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral for maintaining blood pressure under control and facilitating blood flow to all areas of the body. When blood vessels are well dilated, erections become firmer and longer lasting. Additionally, bananas contain B-complex vitamins that help reduce stress and mental fatigue. Peanuts complement this formula with their high concentration of arginine, an amino acid essential for nitric oxide production. This optimizes circulation, ensuring that blood flows more efficiently. Moreover, peanuts contain healthy fats that aid in testosterone production, a crucial hormone for desire and performance. To prepare the shake, blend 200 milliliters of almond milk, 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of unsalted peanuts, and 1 teaspoon of gelatinized maize. The result is a creamy, nutritious, and functional drink, ideal to consume before a workout or as an energy boost. Throughout the day, this shake strengthens the body and enhances vitality, creating ideal conditions for firmer erections and an active libido. Drink number 4 is an aphrodisiac root tea made with ginger, ginseng, and gelatinized ma. This infusion strengthens the circulatory system, combats fatigue, and enhances sexual response over time, providing more energy and vitality. Without the need for artificial stimulant, ginger is well known for its ability to improve blood circulation, warming the body and facilitating blood flow to all regions. Its vasodilating effect reduces tension in the vessels and optimizes tissue oxygenation, which is essential for firmer erections. Additionally, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that help keep the cardiovascular system healthy. Ginseng is one of the most studied natural aphrodisiacs and has a direct effect on physical and mental performance. It combats stress, regulates cortisol levels, and reduces fatigue factors that can interfere with libido and sexual potency. Its adaptogenic effect also supports testosterone production, ensuring a more effective response to stimuli. To prepare the tea, boil 300 milliliters of water, add a small piece of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of powdered gins, and 1 teaspoon of gelatinized maca. Let it steep for 10 minutes and drink warm. The ideal time to consume this drink is at night, as its relaxing effect helps with muscle and hormonal recovery. During sleep, ensuring more energy the next day. Drink number 5 is a nighttime blend designed to improve blood circulation, balance hormones, and promote full recovery during sleep. This recipe combines warm milk, turmeric, gelatinized maca, and honey, creating a restorative effect for both body and mind. Warm milk is the perfect base for this drink because it contains tryptophan, an amino acid that stimulates serotonin and melatonin production, helping to reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Since testosterone is primarily produced during deep sleep, a good night's rest is essential for maintaining hormonal balance and ensuring more energy. The next day, turmeric is one of the key ingredients in this recipe, rich in curcumin. It improves blood vessel health, reduces inflammation, and supports circulation. Its antioxidant effect also combats free radicals that can affect artery elasticity, ensuring unobstructed blood flow. Honey acts as an essential complement. Besides being a quick source of energy, it contains minerals and enzymes that support nitric oxide production, enhancing vessel dilation. To prepare this drink, simply heat 200 ml of milk, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of gelatinized maca, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Drinking it before bed aids physical recovery and keeps metabolism prepared for better long-term performance. Consuming nutrient-rich beverages is an important step, but without an aligned lifestyle, results may be limited. The body needs full support to maintain efficient circulation, balanced hormone production, and high energy levels. Small adjustments in daily habits make a big difference in the quality of erections, and overall vitality. Sedentary behavior is one of the biggest enemies of S3-sexual health. Lack of movement reduces the heart's ability to pump blood efficiently, compromising tissue oxygenation and making it harder for blood vessels to dilate. Aerobic exercises such as walking and light jogging stimulate circulation and ensure stronger blood flow. Quality sleep is also essential during deep sleep. The body produces most of its testosterone, a key hormone for libido and performance. Poor sleep disrupts this process and increases cortisol levels, a hormone that reduces estradiol desire and negatively affects nitric oxide production, which is essential for vessel dilation. A balanced diet is another crucial factor. Excess sugar and saturated fats cause inflammation in blood vessels, impairing circulation. On the other hand, foods rich in antioxidants and healthy fats protect vascular structure, enhancing the effects of the drinks mentioned. Consistency is the determining factor for those who want to see real improvements. When diet, physical activity, and rest work together, the body responds naturally, ensuring harder, fuller, and longer-lasting erections without the need for artificial solutions. Maintaining efficient circulation and balanced hormones is essential for optimal performance. The natural drinks you've learned about here are a practical and effective way to strengthen S3-sexual health and ensure more firmness and endurance. The right combination of nutrients activates blood flow, improves vascularization, and boosts vitality without relying on artificial substances among all the recipes presented. Which one do you plan to try? First, share in the comments if this video provided useful information for you. Give it a like so more people can discover these natural strategies. Your like is crucial for YouTube to recommend this content to those who also need to improve their performance and vitality. And if you want to learn more natural ways to boost circulation and enhance estradiol power, there are other videos on the channel with valuable strategies to maximize your results. Watch them now and take advantage of these exclusive tips. If you're not subscribed, yet do it now to keep receiving content on men's health and performance.